YouTube, it is your boy Zach bringing you guys another trade recap. It is currently December 2nd. We took one trade today. It was a beautiful trade. Quick little base hit. We were in this trade for literally like 30 seconds. And it hit full TP. We made about $270 on 9 accounts, so 270 times 9. About $2,400 total today. Very, very textbook trade. Everything just aligned and I executed and it played out. And that's all that matters at the end of the day, is that I'm executing. So coming into market open, I was short-term bearish, but higher time frame I was obviously bullish because, let me show you guys, we are just pumping. We're respecting every fair value gap. We already mitigated this hourly right in here, so I did want to see us potentially come to this hourly down here and then go higher, or what I said in my daily bias inside my free trading Discord. Link is in the description, by the way. You guys should join up. Right here, very bullish bias. Draw on liquidity is previous day high. If that gets taken, I'm just going to look for buys because we're just going to keep pumping. There's nothing holding us back from going lower. But before I seen higher, I did want to see us go lower into this hourly fair value gap right here and then see higher, or we'll see something like this. And this is what we call it right here. We call it that second trade. You guys can see we pumped through these highs at market open. Market open, we just absolutely ripped. We ripped right here. Came up, broke structure on the 15-minute. After that, we wanted to see equilibrium on this range get tapped into, but we never got that either. ES actually came down and we put an SMT all the way at these lows. ES came all the way down here, took out these lows all the way down here, so we put an SMT. You guys can see ES took these lows right here. These lows right here, and NASDAQ did not. That's a SMT divergence, a difference in the correlation between the correlating assets. Pretty much, it's the SMT divergence is when one side of the market, either ES or NASDAQ, takes out a low or takes out a high, and the other one does not. It's a difference in the correlating assets, and that's a confluence that I like to use. And after that, all we wanted to see was a inversion to the upside after sweeping out these lows. Swept out these lows. There was no real selling pressure. I feel like if we were to sell off, we would have sold off as soon as we tapped into this fair value gap right here. We would have sold off right about here and just dumped to equilibrium of this range, at least like one of these fair value gaps in here. But that's not what happened. Instead, we inverse that fair value gap. After we inverse this fair value gap, we also had equal highs right here. There's nothing holding us from going lower. There is no reason we should not come to at least these highs, and that's where I went break even, but I didn't even have a chance to go break even. We literally entered and bam, straight to TP. And this was all in like 30 seconds. As soon as 10 a.m. opened, you guys can see this is 10 a.m. right at the bottom. 10 a.m. open, pumped right through. Literally, if you guys watch my live trading video on TikTok or Instagram on my short form, you guys can see that this happened so fast, and we didn't even get the chance to go break even, but that's what it's all about. Quick little trade. I was targeting this 4-hour fair value gap in here because I could potentially see this being a reversal area, which it looks like it's holding strong right now. So yeah, that was my full trade. Very quick trade, quick and easy. Inversion fair value gap, SMT divergence, sweeping out these lows. Just overall bullish market structure. Draw and liquidity was higher to this 4-hour fair value gap, and yeah, quick, easy trade. All done for live. All done in the live stream for completely free. Bias was called out perfectly inside my Discord. So if you guys are not inside the Discord, make sure you guys join up the Discord. And also, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And use code ZACH on Apex for 80% off of accounts. But without further ado, that's going to be it for this trade recap. Our accounts are in a very, 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 very nice spot right now. These accounts are all up 56. Like 6K each, and then my new accounts are all up $908. So this month, new month, we just have to keep grinding, and the year out strong. That's really all that's about. Last week we had a very rough last week. Not rough. We ended break even last week. We were down about $20 on the week, but this week we're already up about. I made $100 yesterday, and then $270 today, so like $370 in 2 days. So very, very nice, and yeah. That's going to be it for this trade recap, and I will